My name is Albert and welcome to Unknown Facts. Our world is bursting with life, but some creatures are so bizarre they seem to break every rule of biology. Today we'll meet the animal kingdom's true oddballs, nature's most peculiar performers. Get ready to have your mind turned upside down by the strangest, funniest, and most astonishing creatures on Earth. If you love the weird side of nature, subscribe and like. Let's dive in. Journey with us deep into the heart of Australia's ancient forests, where sunlight filters through a tapestry of emerald leaves. Here, amidst the symphony of the natural world, you might hear a sound that seems utterly out of place, the unmistakable whine of a chainsaw. But hold on, this isn't the work of a lumberjack or a rogue piece of machinery. This is something far more extraordinary. Prepare to meet the superb lyrebird, a creature of unparalleled vocal talent. It's nature's ultimate mimic, a master of acoustic illusion. This bird possesses an uncanny ability to replicate almost any sound it encounters. This bird can imitate everything, from the delicate melodies of its avian neighbors to the most jarring sounds of the modern world. It flawlessly recreates the calls of other birds, weaving their songs into its own complex repertoire. The distinct click and whir of camera shutters are also fair game, perfectly mimicking the sounds of human observers. Even the shrill blare of car alarms, a sound so out of place in the serene forest, is not beyond its capabilities. And yes, as you've already guessed, it can imitate the guttural roar of chainsaws with astonishing accuracy. The male lyrebird uses this incredible talent to its full advantage. He puts on a show, a dazzling performance designed to attract a mate. He struts and displays, fanning his magnificent tail feathers into an elaborate shimmering fan. And as he dances, he weaves all these disparate sounds into a wild, almost unbelievable courtship performance. It's a bizarre and captivating spectacle. But the question remains, is the female lyrebird truly impressed by this industrial symphony, this bizarre blend of nature and machine? Only she knows the answer to that age-old question. The lyrebird, with its extraordinary mimicry, proves that even in the most remote corners of the wild, you might stumble upon a touch of the absurd, a moment of unexpected humor. It's a reminder that nature's creativity knows no bounds, and that the line between the natural and the artificial can sometimes be blurred in the most delightful ways. Beneath the waves, in a world teeming with vibrant life and hidden dangers, lies a realm of miniature marvels. Here, survival is a constant game of wit and weaponry, where even the smallest creatures can pack a surprising punch. The pistol shrimp, also known as the snapping shrimp, reigns as the ocean's tiniest gunslinger, a true master of miniaturized mayhem. Don't let its diminutive size fool you. This crustacean is armed with a weapon unlike any other in the animal kingdom. With one oversized claw, disproportionately large compared to its body, it possesses the power to unleash a force that rivals the intensity of the sun. This isn't just any claw, it's a biological marvel, a natural cannon capable of generating extreme heat and pressure. It snaps so fast, faster than the blink of an eye, creating a cavitation bubble. The speed is truly astonishing. This imploding bubble reaches temperatures hotter than the sun's surface, an astounding feat of natural engineering. We're talking about temperatures exceeding 4,700 degrees Celsius. This localized heat is fleeting, but its effects are devastating. The resulting sonic blast, a shockwave of immense power, travels outwards at incredible speed. It stuns or kills prey instantly, a testament to the sheer force packed into this tiny package. Small fish, unsuspecting crustaceans, and even larval organisms are all vulnerable to the shrimp's potent attack. This shrimp doesn't need brute force. It doesn't rely on physical strength or size to overpower its opponents. Just a snap, a single incredibly swift movement, and a flash of heat, a brief but deadly burst of energy. It's a perfect example of efficiency and precision in the natural world. It's a superhero in disguise, a miniature marvel with a power that belies its size. Armed with a sun-powered weapon, this tiny creature is a force to be reckoned with in its underwater domain. Never judge a shrimp by its size, especially this one, or its claw for that matter. It's a reminder that power comes in many forms, and sometimes the smallest packages contain the biggest surprises. Nature's high noon showdown happens every day on the seafloor, a constant battle for survival where the pistol shrimp reigns supreme, a tiny titan armed with the power of the sun. Journey with us to the enchanting depths of Mexico's Lake Xochimilco, a place steeped in history and brimming with unique biodiversity. Here, amidst the ancient canals and floating gardens, lives the axolotl, a creature of myth and wonder. Often referred to as the Peter Pan of the salamander world, it's the salamander that never grows up. retaining its larval features throughout its life. But beyond its endearing appearance lies a truly remarkable ability. Its real superpower? Regeneration. A biological marvel that has captivated scientists for decades. Lose a limb, a chunk of spine, even part of its brain. It doesn't matter. This incredible creature possesses the power to rebuild itself from significant injuries. It just grows it back, good as new. No scars, no lasting damage, just complete and perfect restoration. Scientists study axolotls with intense interest, driven by the hope of unlocking the secrets behind this extraordinary regenerative capacity. They are meticulously researching its cellular mechanisms, hoping to unlock their secrets for human medicine and develop new treatments for injuries and diseases. For the axolotl, it's just another day in its watery world, a life of simple pleasures and remarkable resilience. It goes about its business, seemingly unfazed by its unique abilities, smiling and rebuilding itself, a testament to the power of nature. Imagine regrowing an arm not over months or years but with relative speed and precision. Imagine the possibilities if we could heal as easily as a fingernail grows back, a world without debilitating injuries. The axolotl is a living toolkit of repair, a biological marvel that holds the key to unlocking new frontiers in regenerative medicine. Sometimes the cutest creatures are the most miraculous, offering us profound insights into the wonders of the natural world and the potential for healing within ourselves. Most creatures age and die, but not Turritopsis dohrnii, the immortal jellyfish. When threatened by old age or injury, it reverts its cells to a youthful state, starting life over. It melts into a blob, then grows anew, repeating the cycle endlessly. Unless eaten or diseased, it could theoretically live forever. This jellyfish has found nature's reset button. It's the ultimate time traveler of the sea. Who knew immortality could be so tiny and squishy? Meet the bombardier beetle, a bug with a built-in chemical cannon. When threatened, it mixes chemicals in its abdomen and blasts boiling hot, noxious spray at attackers. The spray is precise, rapid, and scalding, enough to send predators running. Even the smallest creatures can pack a fiery punch. In nature, size isn't everything. Sometimes it's chemistry. If nature ever played a prank, it would be the platypus. Duckbill, beavertail, otter body, and it lays eggs. Yet it's a mammal. The male even has venomous spurs. It hunts using echolocation, sensing prey's electric fields. The platypus is a living paradox, a masterpiece of evolutionary whimsy. Sometimes, the weirdest creatures are the most wonderful. Humans see the world in 3 colors, but the mantis shrimp sees 16. It detects ultraviolet, infrared, and polarized light, colors we can't even imagine. To the mantis shrimp, the reef is a psychedelic wonderland. Its vision helps it spot prey and communicate in ways we'll never fully grasp. This tiny crustacean is a living optical marvel. Our world is black and white compared to its rainbow reality. Sometimes, the most alien eyes are right here on Earth. In Southeast Asia, the archerfish turns water into a weapon. It spits jets of water to shoot insects off branches above the water. The fish calculates refraction and distance, hitting targets up to 3 meters away. Young archerfish learn by watching adults perfecting their aim. It's a true aquatic sniper, nature's own water gun. Evolution solutions can be both deadly and entertaining. Australia's echidna is already odd, spiny, egg-laying, and with a tongue like an anteater. But its love life is even stranger. The male's reproductive organ has 4 heads. Only 2 are used at a time, alternating with each mating. Scientists aren't sure why, but it's likely a form of sperm competition. Dating is complicated when you're an echidna. Evolution doesn't just solve problems, it creates mysteries. The echidna is a true original, inside and out. The froghopper, or spittlebug, is the world's greatest jumper. It can leap over 100 times its body length, like a human jumping over a skyscraper. It uses a catapult mechanism, storing energy in springy proteins. Each jump unleashes G-forces that would knock out a human. For the froghopper, it's just a way to escape danger or move around. Sometimes, the tiniest athletes are the most impressive. In Australia's kelp forests, the leafy sea dragon is the ultimate master of disguise. Its leaf-like appendages make it nearly invisible among seaweed. It drifts, blending perfectly, fooling both predators and prey. Watching one is like seeing seaweed come to life. Its camouflage is so perfect it's almost art. The leafy sea dragon is a living, breathing illusion. Sometimes, survival is all about style. The naked mole rat of East Africa breaks all the mammal rules. It's cold-blooded, resists cancer, and shrugs off pain from acid. Its pain receptors simply don't fire in response to acid or spicy chemicals. This adaptation lets it thrive in harsh underground tunnels. Scientists study it for clues to pain resistance. The naked mole rat is a wrinkly underground marvel. The horned lizard has a shocking defense when threatened. It squirts blood from its eyes. The blood tastes foul to predators, often making them abandon the hunt. It can aim the jet up to 5 feet with surprising accuracy. This dramatic tactic is pure shock and awe. Sometimes the best defense is to be unforgettable. The horned lizard proves that weirdness can be a lifesaver. In the animal kingdom, drama pays off. The cuttlefish is the ocean's master hypnotist. It changes color and pattern in mesmerizing waves to stun its prey. Crabs and fish freeze, transfixed by the psychedelic display. While they're distracted, the cuttlefish strikes with lightning speed. It's hunting as performance art, part science, part magic. The cuttlefish is both predator and performer. Sometimes the best hunters are also the best showmen. In Shark Bay, Australia, dolphins use tools, sea sponges, to protect their snouts while foraging. This sponging behavior is learned and passed down, mostly from mothers to daughters. With their sponge helmets, dolphins dig safely for hidden fish. It's a remarkable example of animal culture and innovation. These dolphins aren't just smart, they're creative problem solvers. Intelligence in the wild comes in many forms. Our journey through nature's oddities ends here, but the wonder never does. From lyrebirds to dolphins, these creatures shatter our expectations. Each one is proof that evolution is both inventive and hilarious. The world is richer and stranger because of them. Stay curious. There's always more to discover. Thanks for joining us on this wild ride.